Educreations is a screencasting app that allows you to create video tutorials for your students. This is a great way to differentiate instruction in your classroom. You might create some tutorials for students who need extra review on concepts. Or you might create tutorials for students who are ready to move on and to extend their learning in other areas. Let's take a look at Educreations. When you open up the app, you can simply click on New Lesson at the top left-hand corner, and this is your working board right here. There are several features with this. First, let's take a look at text. You can type in text anywhere you'd like. I'm going to type in just the word adding. You can change the color if you like to whatever color you'd like, and you can also change the size of that as well. When you're done, click and drag, and you can move that wherever you would like to. The main features is the annotating tools that we have here with the different colors. You can choose what color you'd like. I'm going to choose this. I'm going to set up a math problem. 34 plus 29. And put a plus sign right there to set my problem up like that. To create the video tutorial, you simply click the record button in the top right-hand corner. Once you hit that record button, it will record your voice and anything that you write or draw or manipulate on the screen. Here's how it works. I'll hit the record button and begin. This is Mr. Brown, and this is a tutorial about how to add two-digit numbers. We're going to start here with the ones place. I see 4 ones plus 9 ones. When I add those together, I know that I get 13 ones. When I think about 13 ones, that's really a 10 and 3 ones. So I'm going to put my 3 ones down here, but I'm going to take that 10 that I had and I'm going to put it with my other 10s. Now I have 1 10 plus 3 10 plus 2 10s, and I know that that is 6 10s. So I'm going to put my 6 10s right here. Altogether, 6 10s and 3 1s is 63. You saw that when I was finished with my tutorial, I simply click Done, and I'm going to click Save Lesson. Give the title a lesson. I'm going to put Adding Numbers. You can give it a description if you want. Hit Next. Once you sign in, you can choose who you'd like to view this lesson. I'm going to choose Private. You can choose your subject area and subject and hit Save. And you've just created a video tutorial. You can share it in several ways. Kids can watch it right within the app simply by clicking here. But if you click the share button up here, you see that you can also get a link or you can email that out. So if I click the email button, it's very simple just to send this as an email out to parents or to other students. Or if you click the link button, you can copy the lesson link and you might paste it into an email or send that out to students as well. Let's take a look at some examples of some video tutorials teachers have made through Educreations. This is a screenshot of a teacher who made a video tutorial about mode. And you can see that she simply used her finger to write out numbers and to make annotations. As it recorded her talking, students were reviewing the concept of mode. Here's an example of a teacher who imported some images of fractions and created a video tutorial to explain how to subtract fractions that have like denominators. Here's an example from science. In this tutorial, a teacher used the annotating tool to review what a cell was. As she talked, she drew in the parts of a cell, labeled them so that her students could better understand this concept. This teacher wanted to give his students a better understanding of the Lewis and Clark exploration. So you can see that he drew in different parts of the route and was marking places and discussing events and things that happened during those parts of the journey. I think you'll find Educreations a versatile and important app for your classroom.